Hi, my name is Tim Wynn. I'm a professional parliamentarian, and that means that most people don't know what I do. In this video, we're going to cover the question, what is a parliamentarian? Some people think a parliamentarian has something to do with Parliament in England. Partially, they are right, since the word parliamentarian is used to refer to a member of Parliament, and because the word parliamentarian itself was derived from Parliament. But that's not the kind of parliamentarian we're talking about. Merriam-Webster defines a parliamentarian as an expert in the rules and usages of a deliberative assembly. Simply put, a parliamentarian is a meeting expert. It's important to understand that parliamentary law isn't only used in Parliament. In fact, it is used, to some extent, in almost all organized associations and corporations. And it is found in every nation that is sufficiently organized so as to officially appear on a map. Whether a meeting is large or small, local, regional, national, or international, it is the duty of the parliamentarian to assist the members with the proper understanding and application of the rules that govern the meeting. Since about 99% of rules that an organization uses are identical to rules of other similar organizations, and since most organizations face the same issues at different times in their existence, solutions that a parliamentarian finds in working with one organization can easily be applied to similar problems encountered at another organization. This is why associations often hire a parliamentarian to assist with the preparation for a meeting and with the proper application of the rules inside that meeting, especially large or complicated meetings. A parliamentarian does this by reviewing all of an organization's governing documents, reviewing the meeting materials, meeting with and preparing the presiding officer, drafting a presiding script, and serving as parliamentarian during the meeting, providing guidance and counsel to the chair on parliamentary issues that arise. Alternatively, a parliamentarian is sometimes engaged by an individual member or a group of members to assist them in a meeting, to answer procedural questions, to render advice, to produce an official written parliamentary opinion, or to provide training on rules and procedures. That covers what is a parliamentarian.